Hi, Natalie from Two Sides Accounting. With only a couple of weeks left until the end of the financial year, I'm sure you're all thinking about tax time, or maybe not, but we are as accountants. And so it's our job to be chatting with our clients to help them pay the least amount of tax possible. And that's what we like to call tax planning. Now, tax planning gets a lot of bad press because people think that, we're doing something dodgy, we're doing the wrong thing, we're trying to evade tax, and we're running from the ATO. That couldn't be more from the truth. So tax planning, when it's done properly, is a legitimate way to organise your tax affairs so that you can minimise the amount of tax that you pay. And it's totally legal. Here's 4 quick tips on how you can minimise your tax this tax season. Number 1, get your super paid for your employees before 30 June. So you usually pay it on the 28th of the month following the end of the quarter. So for the June quarter, that would be 28th of July. However, if you get it paid before 30 June, and that means it has to actually hit the super fund's bank account by 30 June, so you probably want to process it around the 24th just to be safe, then you get a tax deduction because super is only tax deductible when paid. Second tip, if you've got stock, make sure you write off any obsolete stock at the end of the financial year. So you need to do a stock take. Number 3, bad debts. You want to write off any debts that you're not going to be receiving from your customers in the short to medium term. That's only if they're definitely bad. So you're not expecting that you're going to be able to recover those. Otherwise, you have to pay tax on those. And we don't want you to be doing that. 4th tip is the small business instant asset write-off. The government's increased it up to $30,000 for assets that you've purchased after the 2nd of April. So previously it was 20, then it went up to 25, but now it's 30. So this can mean a huge difference to your tax. But remember, there's only certain assets that are included, so speak to your accountant, and the asset must be installed and ready for use prior to 30 June. So you can't just order it on the 30th of June and claim the deduction. Happy tax planning. Have a great day.